Slim medicine cabinets that hide storage behind a mirror transform narrow bathrooms without taking a single extra inch of floor space. Choose recessed slim cabinets with internal adjustable shelves to maximize depth within wall cavities, measuring stud spacing and using a cavity depth of at least 3 inches to store bottles upright. If the wall is too shallow, convert a shallow false wall by furrowing the drywall, or use surface-mounted slim cabinets with a framed profile to keep the look flush. For electrical needs, pick mirrored cabinet doors with integrated shaver outlets, and have a licensed electrician install a dedicated circuit or GFCI protected feed. Route the wiring through the wall cavity and use a slim conduit so the cabinet sits flat. Specify anti-fog mirror backing that uses a low-voltage heating element or hydrophobic coating so you can keep shelves open for quick access after hot showers without wiping each time. Integrate pull-out toothbrush cup holders and sliding shallow depth drawers for cosmetics to keep small items organized and easy to reach. Use non-stick liners and soft close hardware to prevent rattling and preserve fragile items. Use interior LED puck lights or strip lights powered by the same outlet but on a separate switch to provide targeted illumination without heating the cavity. When choosing materials, pick moisture-resistant MDF or marine-grade plywood and seal shelf edges to prevent swelling where humidity is high. People often underestimate the wall cavity dimensions and buy a unit that will not recess properly. Check studs and any hidden pipes or ducts first, and consider surface-mounted alternatives if necessary. Another common issue is poor electrical planning, where outlets are added without proper protection. Always use ground fault, circuit interrupter protection, and hire a professional electrician to route and terminate the supply safely. Finally, fogging mirrors or condensation damaging interiors is frequent, so choose anti-fog technology or low-voltage mirror heaters and ventilate the room to keep humidity below recommended levels. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work by listing projects and connecting people directly. We also host an active discussion community where our members share installation tips, product recommendations, and real-world measurements for slim medicine cabinet solutions.